Hi, I'm Drogo. Welcome to Fine Food Specialists. I wanted to make a quick introduction to the family who make this whole business so special.
Hello there, my name is Tom. I'm the Customer Service and Sales Manager here. I've got the best job because I get to speak to all of our lovely customers about recipes, menus and fantastic ingredients.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I look after customer service. The biggest thing for us is the customer experience, to make sure that all our customers are 100% happy. That's what we're always striving for, and that things go tickety-boo.
So guys, tell us what you're up to in here. What are you cooking today?
So today we're gonna do two mussels recipes for Drogo's kitchen. So one with blue cheese and another one with the bisque.
Amazing.
Trying to use a bit of the ingredients from the website, trying to mix them up and create something
fantastic. There you go. We're using all the aspects of the business, the kitchen for Drogo's kitchen. We do that every Friday.
Yeah, I'm Jason and I do a bit of picking and packing, and I'll bring them in out to the front and we do most of the packing then.
Amazing, mate.
Hello, I'm Victor. I'm the manager of Fine Food Specialist. I practically send all the orders, ordering all the items for the company, and I work in the best team that I can choose.
My name is Borja. I'm in charge of all the quality control team, as well as I'm checking always the invoices, all the products, setting always the best prices that we can have in the warehouse, and I'm working for 6 years almost. I'm so happy to be in this company.
Hello, I'm Pablo. I'm the goods supervisor in charge of checking the quality of the different items. Now, for example, we are going to check the flowers, removing the bad ones to the rubbish, and check that the good ones are going to be separated from the bad ones.
My name is Santi. I've been working here for 6 years. I'm the head picker of the company, and this is the last pile of orders for the day.
So that is the last of our amazing team. We're super lucky, grateful to have such a special team, and that is what is behind the magic of Fine Food Specialists. So thank you, team.